Tired of your phone dying? Today we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate solution for staying charged on the go. This beast packs a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, meaning it can recharge your iPhone 6 times over, perfect for long trips or busy days. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. That means no more slow charging guesswork, just optimized power delivery for whatever you plug in, from smartphones to tablets. And with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, sharing power with a friend, or keeping both your phone and earbuds topped up. This isn't just any portable charger. It's a reliable, high-speed power station designed for modern life, truly making it one of the best electronics you can own. Imagine never searching for an outlet again. The PowerCore 20,000 mAh gives you freedom and peace of mind wherever you are. If you're looking for a reliable power bank that actually delivers, check out the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh using the Amazon link in the description below. It's an essential gadget for anyone who relies on their devices daily, and a smart investment for your tech arsenal. Honestly, for powerful, fast, and intelligent charging, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is highly recommended as the top portable charger for 2025.